to 2022 World Cup football is coming. If as a brand ambassador for that sport, for the football, what you will suggest to people coming to here? Are there a lot of places to visit, to enjoy besides football?
Yes, exactly. So I think my paintings definitely inspire people to see Qatar from another point of view, because Qatar is not only beautiful deserts, contemporary beautiful buildings, coastline that it's always warm sea, and I think lots of Europeans are really missing it during the cold winter times.
So what brings you here in Qatar from Lithuania?
I've been recently traveling around the globe. I've been living in 6 different countries, so Qatar is my latest one. I've been living in Gulf countries in Kuwait and Oman, but I must say I'm really enjoying it now in Doha.
So what if Lithuania qualifies for the FIFA World Cup?
That would be a very big miracle. Lithuanians are good at basketball, not at football, but we are big fans of football, but only to watch, not to play.
Okay, tell us more about your art. You are fascinated with the oceans. Can you tell more about it?
I'm a liquid artist. I'm working with the mediums such as epoxy resin, also inks, and everything, all of the floating materials. So I'm really fascinated by the Google images of the Earth, because you can see it looks totally different from above, and it's what we normally see every day. So I'm doing the abstract art with epoxy resin, but it's a liquid, and then after it's cured, it's becoming a hard surface. So it's like a metamorphosis happening in the art. So I'm mixing my own palette of colors with mica powders, with mica pigments, and this is real amber pieces as well. And some of the paintings I have as well with the Qatari sand.
So how you have been influenced by Qatar? You have spent a few years in Qatar.
Yes, so now I've been 2 years in Qatar, and I've explored a lot with jet ski and with the speedboat Qatar coast. So I can show, if we can walk to my other painting, that it's that the colors is a little bit saturated, but this is how I see the world. So this is the coastline, and this is actually, I used real Qatar sand from the beaches.
So can you tell us more about the exhibition part of this motor show? What brings you to the motor show?
Yeah, so because my paintings has the same qualities as, let's say, as the stone, because it's humidity, water, sunlight resistant, so it's a perfect additional piece to the yacht interiors, because not all of the art pieces you can put in the yachts because of the movements, because of the water can splash, or it could be humid, let's say, when they are not using it. So these paintings would always stay the same, and I think it's or either you can have them in an apartment and they can remind you of your yacht.